Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Mehak Murthy Naren. I come from the defense background, daughter of an army colonel, artillery officer, and married to an infantry officer. And right now I just won Mrs. Asia International first runners up and Mrs. Photogenic. This contest was held in Pune on 10th of May 2014. And now I will be representing India at Sofia, Bulgaria for Mrs. Planet, which will be held this month, 20th of June. In this contest, I believe we will be having somewhere around 47 countries. They will be participating in this Mrs. Planet 2014 contest. My schooling has been done in all over India since my dad used to get posted after every 2 years. And being from the defense background, of course, you get to travel so much. So my traveling and my schooling, all my experiences have been done all over India. My 10th standard I did from Army School, Jammu. And then I did my 12th from Devlali Army School, Nasik. And my college, yes, I did my hotel management from IHM Chennai. I also did my HR from there. And in the last 1 year, I just completed my advanced diploma in cosmetology. And by profession, I'm a cosmetologist. After my college, in fact, I got through Jet Airways. I was a cabin crew flying with Jet Airways almost for 6 years. And those was my best of the days of my life. Every day was a new day with a new set of crew, new flight to a new sector, and I thoroughly enjoyed my journey. And one of the best moments which I had was when I get to meet Shilpa Shetty's family on my flight, and I got to meet his father, and he told me that I resemble his daughter Shilpa Shetty, and I was like, your daughter resembles me. So that was the best moment of my life when he told me that I resemble his daughter, and I really admire Shilpa Shetty a lot. Best achievement for me, it's like every day, I guess, because I'm a person who feels you have to give your best in everything you do, and I give my best in everything what I do every day. So every day is a best day for me. I like doing a lot of arts and crafts. I'm very creative by nature. I do sketches, I do paintings. I have this habit of making creations out of waste material, waste management, as you can say. I make like small articles out of plastic bottles, newspapers, the waste paper, the waste plastic bags. So I really like doing something like that. Yeah, a lot of people actually ask me this, like I've done everything in my life. I did my hotel management, so I was thinking, okay, fine, I'll join hotels. But then after doing hotel management, I joined airlines. I was flying almost for 6 years. Then I got into modeling. I got serious into modeling, and it's always been a different phase. Every time I did differently, all my life. So I'm a person who loves experimenting with life. I would say that I'm a person who doesn't like monotony in the life. I don't like the same thing, same doing the same things in life. I like doing things differently. So I love experimenting, doing new things. Right now my main aim is to go for Mrs. Planet now, which will be held this month on 20th of June. And I really want to give my best, and I want to get the crown back home. I've really worked hard, to reach at this phase. Even for Mrs. Asia International, there was a lot of hard work, and right now also I'm working hard, gymming, dieting, my costumes, everything. So yes, I'm giving my heart 100%, and I want to get the crown back home. This year I'll be representing India at Mrs. Planet 2014, which will be held in Sofia, Bulgaria on 20th of June 2014. The theme this year is Go Green, which is Safe Planet theme. And I would be showcasing in my talent round, how to save the planet and how to make the waste in a useful manner, how to utilize the waste into a useful manner. my theme would be waste management. So I'm planning to show in my talent round also how to use the waste articles which we have it in our house and all over around, how to use it in a more creative way, in a more in a more beautiful way. So that would be my talent and my theme. And Mrs. Planet is something which emphasizes more on saving the planet, saving uh, the plants, the animals, the human being. So the theme is of Go Green.